Hey everybody, this is Jason, Brasspineapple Productions. I'm down here at Fort Myers Beach, post hurricane. Yes. And Yucatan Beach Stand is open. It's one of the two places that is open down here. They recovered quick. This place actually looks very similar to how it was actually before the hurricane. So yeah, like I said, I'm just down here. It's taken a hit. Today's video will be segments of footage that buildings, things that have maintained, things that are coming back. So I decided to switch it up a little bit and come down here for the day to just show what it's like in the end of May 2023, Southwest Florida, Fort Myers Beach. One thing about Southwest Florida is that it has seen its share of crazy weather over the centuries. The past 100 years, there's been a lot of increased development, property development, business development, and the one thing that won't change is that these businesses will rebuild. They will come back, and one day this place will be popping again. But right now it's still slow. There's not as much going on down here as it was, say, like a year ago. But for the most part, it's it's a state of rebuilding, I guess is the best way to put it. So like I said, today's just going to be a day to just kind of show a little bit down here. I might even talk to some people, do maybe some interviews, see what people think. Might talk to some business owners. We'll see how this video evolves. I'm not really sure how it's going to go, but we'll give it a shot. Right behind me was Wings. It was a novelty store. Obliterated. Of course, we'll be back someday, I would imagine, or by a new business owner. We don't know, but just remains a shell. Just taking a little stroll down here, Fort Myers Beach, just kind of seeing the local area. Yeah, it's even months later, it's still quite I don't even know what the word is. I dare not use it, but we're in the end of May 2023, in recovery mode, I guess is the best way to put it. People are still coming out. They're still enjoying, what is kind of like the existing part of Fort Myers Beach, and people are just moving on with it. That's pretty much all that's going on. Well, right behind me there's a lot of construction going on I think it's the Jimmy Buffett Resort. I don't know exactly what this thing is. Margaritaville, I think it's called. But anyway, they're in full production over here. As you can see, they're building. Building obviously a postcode. But yeah, like I said, just another example of bigger businesses out here resiliently trying to come back. There's construction crews. They're working. They're doing their thing. They're up here rebuilding, as I've been reiterating over and over. The work must continue. In front of Yo Taco, yet another reason to come on down and have a few minutes at the beach. Have a taco, have a brew, have a soda, whatever. But it's not all lost.